How to hide Pinterest profile from Google. If you want to hide your Pinterest profile from Google, first we'll launch the Pinterest application, and we don't want our profile to show up on Google. So tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then simply tap on the three dots icon located at the top right hand side. Then go to the option Settings. Go to the option that says Profile Visibility and tap on it. Then there you can set the option called Search Privacy. You can also turn on Private Profile, but you have a Search Privacy option which will hide your profile and boards from search engines like Google. So when you turn this on, your Pinterest profile will be hidden from Google. That's all for this video. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.